In early 1950s, British mathematician Alan Turing proved an insight that digital computers can simulate any process of formal reasoning through his Church-Turing thesis. Alan Turing's simple question, whether or not it is possible for machinery to show intelligent behavior, has laid the foundation for further machine intelligence research. John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence in 1956 and defined it as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. Since then, the field of artificial intelligence has gradually evolved. In the year 1997, IBM's Deep Blue chess playing computer beats world chess champion Garry Kasparov. In the year 2005, Stanley, a self-driving car, wins the DARPA Grand Challenge. The US military begins investing in autonomous robots like Boston Dynamics' Big Dog. In the year 2008, Apple makes breakthroughs in speech recognition through artificial intelligence and introduces the future in its iPhone app. In the year 2011, IBM's AI-powered Watson competes on Jeopardy against champions Brad Rutter and Ken Jennings, winning the first prize of $1 million. In the year 2012, Andrew Ng, founder of Google Brain Deep Learning Project, fed 10 million YouTube videos to a neural network using deep learning algorithm as training dataset. The neural network learned to recognize a cat without being told what a cat is, ushering in breakthrough era for neural networks and deep learning funding. In the year 2014, Google makes first self-driving car to pass a state driving test. In the year 2016, Google DeepMind's AlphaGo defeats world champion Go player Lee Sedol. The complexity of the ancient Chinese game was seen as a major hurdle to clear in AI. In October 2017, Sophia, a social humanoid robot, became a Saudi Arabian citizen, the first robot to receive citizenship of any country. In essence, artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence or behavior patterns. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning algorithms are computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience. These algorithms build a mathematical model based on sample data known as training data in order to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. There are three categories of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the computer is presented with example inputs and their desired outputs, and the goal is to learn to generate rule that maps inputs to outputs. The application of supervised learning algorithms includes finding out if a person is healthy or sick, predicting the rainfall, predicting the height of the person, etc. In unsupervised learning, no labels are given to the learning algorithm, leaving it on its own to find structure in its input. Unsupervised learning models are used when we only have the input variable x and no corresponding output variable. They use unlabeled training data to model the underlying structure of the data. Unsupervised learning algorithm might be used to discover that if a customer purchases meat, he or she is 80% likely to also purchase eggs. Unsupervised learning algorithms are also used to cluster or group the information based on their attributes and reduce the number of variables of a dataset while ensuring that important information is still conveyed. Reinforcement learning is a computer program that interacts with a dynamic environment in which it must perform a certain goal, such as driving a vehicle or playing a game against an opponent. As it navigates its problem space, the program is provided feedback that's analogous to rewards, which it tries to maximize. Classic machine learning algorithms work well for a dataset up to a few hundred characteristics. Many new technologies like image recognition are a different beast. A single 1000 by 1000 pixel color photo, for example, has 30 million qualities. Taking a classic machine learning approach to such dataset is not only cumbersome but often not feasible. Deep learning addresses such challenges. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning inspired by a network of neurons in human brain. Deep learning processes the information with multiple layers, one input layer, few hidden layers, and one output layer. Each layer has multiple artificial neurons. There are two main deep learning algorithms: convolutional neural network and recurrent neural network. Convolutional neural network, or CNN, mainly processes image as inputs. It is used for image processing, recognition and classification, video recognition, pattern recognition, recommendation engines, medical image analysis, etc. The recurrent neural network, or RNN, is designed to recognize a dataset's sequential attributes and use patterns to predict the next likely scenario. It is a powerful approach to process sequential data like sound and time series data like written natural language. RNNs are used for sentiment classification, speech recognition, natural language processing, machine translation, search predictions, video classifications, etc. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.